Hello, you guys. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. So, what are we talking today? Today, we're gonna talk about which one is better, the scooter or a motorcycle. I have both, so I've been riding for years, so I know which one. If you first time watching this, and if you want to find out which vehicles you should get, what two-wheel vehicle you should get, well, here's the answer. The answer is neither. Both of them have a different purpose, so but both of them are enjoyable to ride. It's just a different kind of um, way that you enjoy in it. So if you really want to take control out of your vehicle, then motorcycle is your thing because they have the clutch, and you feel like you're more engaged with the vehicle than a scooter. Scooter is a lot more, smoother. It's only have is CVT, so it's only have one speed. So when it's shipping year, you don't even know because there's no year to ship. It's only 1 year, so it's very smooth on the road, and it's depend on your situation. But let me give you this point, okay? If you riding a two wheel, first thing you should think about is what's the purpose you want to do it, right? If you only use it for just a go around town in the city is by itself, I would definitely go with the scooter. And because the scooter is it's a lot of benefit more than a motorcycle if you're in the city itself. So the first benefit is you buy insurance is a lot cheaper. It's a lot cheaper to insure. It's a lot cheaper to renew the sticker. Um, is have storage, which is a motorcycle. You have to buy extra box in the back, and it still won't have enough storage like a scooter is. And inside the city, the scooter is more easy to ride. It's small. It fit anywhere. It's very convenient if you do lane splitting in the city. And also, a scooter have you are not gonna be getting a lot of attention from the cop if you're riding a scooter. So the city is the best for a scooter, but my recommendation is getting a 150cc. That is the Goldilocks of a scooter. Okay, when you're riding in the city. If you go anything bigger, 150 is you. If you want to get more power, anything over 150cc, then the best way is just to get a motorcycle. Don't buy a scooter, right? Don't buy one of those big scooter, right? It doesn't work. Too heavy. It's defeat the purpose of owning a scooter by itself. And don't get anything like under 150, like a 50cc. That's just thing is useless because in the city, some um, express lane is going up to 50 or 55. So if you have a 150cc scooter, you can go up to at least 60 or 65. So you can do it. But anything less than that is not good. Anything over than that is just the weight is too much. So you rather have a motorcycle than a scooter itself. So that's a major benefit. And remember, when you riding, is for yourself. Okay, so don't worry about the worst thing you can do is you worry about what other people think about you. Okay, you're riding a scooter and you worry people think you, oh yeah, you you a sissy, you're a girly man because you're riding a scooter. Well, nobody care what you ride, so don't worry about your image. Okay, you ride whatever you think is fit for your situation. And riding a scooter or a motorcycle basically is the same thing. You're riding a two-wheel. The handle basically almost very similar, so there's no different. So what you want is you want to think about what is benefit you. And if you only do the city ride only, scooter is your best option. Trust me, it's better than the motorcycle itself. Sometimes if I ride a motorcycle for a couple of days and then I ride a scooter, I can feel how relaxing the scooter is, just like you riding a limousine. If you switch from a motorcycle to a scooter, because it's so smooth. It's so smooth. Like you actually enjoy more. You put more time in not worrying about riding. You rather you were at that time because they took all away that worry about you have to shift right gear. You have to deal with the clutch. A scooter is just like floating on the road. So that's how good it is. So I enjoy both of them. It depends on the situation. Like I said, I own a scooter because I love scooter too. I mean, riding around the Seco is the best. Easy to maneuver. You can do whatever you want in the city, and it's a lot easier. People are very nice to people riding a scooter than a motorcycle because all that bad image about motorcycle having a loud, um, a muffler and all that stuff. So scooter is your best option. You can ride anywhere and it's easy, right? But don't get the big one. You get a big one, it just waste. Oh, also another benefit about scooter is you got a better MPG. So inside the city, scooter is I think 60 or 70 mile per gallon, compared to a motorcycle about 40, maybe 45. So that's a big benefit. But if you riding like a long trip or something like that, you have to go on a freeway and stuff like that, then don't get a scooter, okay? Get a motorcycle. Motorcycle is better fit for those kind of stuff. But for convenience, just in the city itself, uh, your best bet is a scooter. Trust me, a scooter is perfect. If you haven't tried, if you own a motorcycle and you never tried a scooter before, get one. Get a Honda Film 150. Okay, get those things. Or if you know how to fix your own scooter, or to get your hand dirty, a monkey wrench, then get a Chinese scooter like me. I got my Chinese scooter for like almost 5 years, 6 years already, still running great shape. Everything is easy to replace, very very easy to maintain. So don't get scared by owning a Chinese scooter. But like if you're not like me, you don't like to get your hand dirty, then get a Honda or any other Japanese brand or Taiwanese brand too. It's a great deal too. So but it's gonna cost more. So basically, you want to save money, or that's depend on you. But like I said, scooter all way is the best for the city. And the Goldilocks, like I said, 150cc. That's your best bet. That thing is perfect for the city. You couldn't get anything better than that. Anything bigger is a waste because it's too big, it's too heavy, and you won't enjoy it anymore. And anything less than that, you won't keep up with the traffic. So I saw people buying a 50cc trying to get away because in California, if you got a 50cc, you don't need to get the motorcycle license. So they can buy a 50cc and just ride it on a bike lane. So for me, that's not safe at all, and that's not good. So perfect is 150cc. For 150cc and up, you need a motorcycle license. So that's the bad part. But other than that, well, you're gonna ride a two wheel anyway. So just trying to get the motorcycle license too. So so if you like me, you want to get both world, you want to be best on both world, then yeah, you get yourself a scooter and a motorcycle. So if you go in a city, ride your scooter. Buy grocery goes with the scooter. Because they have storage. And if you tired of the city, you want to go something faster, then get your motorcycle. You can enjoy both. You enjoy both worlds. And that's how I did it and for years. So it's really nice to have. So that's the end discussion about scooter versus motorcycle. Both of them are very nice vehicle. I definitely want you to have both of them, and there's no winner in on both of them. So like I said, when you're riding motorcycle, nobody care what you ride. Nobody know. You met them at the street light. Nobody even care. Nobody even care what vehicle you have. So don't worry about your image. Your image is yourself. How you feel about it. That's the perfect explanation for it. That's how you feel about it. If you I ride scooter all the time. I mean, I wave a motorcycle all the time. And they wave me back. Because if you truly a rider, it doesn't matter what two wheel you're riding. Okay, as long as you're riding, you enjoy it. So nobody care what you ride or your image is, right? Only you. That's just a self reflection on who you are. So if you keep talking trash about people riding a scooter, that's mean you're not mature enough. And if you talk trash about people riding a motorcycle, the same thing. You're not mature enough as a rider. So that's just my opinion, because I ride both. That's just how I feel. So there it is. Let me show you a little place that I love to practice riding practice your riding your two wheel. This is a perfect place. It used to be my high school, and it's their parking lot, and their parking lot. This is super nice. Like most of the time, like nobody's here, and then you can ride. You can use this, and it's in the shade. I can ride. I can practice the whole day, and without getting getting sunburn. And because when you have to wear your whole year for the ride, it's really hot, and this place is perfect for it because you use in the shade, and then there is a parking lot. You can practice your parking, you can practice your U-turn and all of that stuff. And let me show you a little bit of it. Okay, let me show you right now. Give me a second. Okay, let me switch this over. As you can see, it's beautiful. Look at that. See this whole area? I used to take my kid here to play with their scooter. And look at this. It's beautiful. If you find a place or spot like this to go and practice, you will be very happy. And this is where I begin all my riding. And this is where I usually go for practice riding my motorcycle and my scooter. There it is. See how nice that is? It's perfect. So that's it for my video. I hope you find it useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.